Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. We had a really fun night last night and that's why I didn't end the vlog, so I'm sorry about that. But we are up finally. It was a struggle getting up, but it's like 1-ish. And yeah, we just ordered room service and we are going to shoot on a private jet today and a helicopter, so it's gonna be a fun day. But this is what I got for food.
Is it the at your service place?
Yeah. I got this rice bowl with shrimp. Oh my god, it looks so good. And then coffee, I needed it. And I'm just getting ready.
Oh, so
this is amazing. Oh, this is amazing. Alright, so
Art Basel? Are we going to Art Basel?
3 minutes late, let's go.
I can't even stand this.
Hey, is this one you said is a room?
Yeah, I'm too tall.
Is this a toilet?
Yeah.
Did you lift it up? Wait, I don't know. Yeah. Wait, is a seat in? It's a toilet seat. I'm sure there's one in there.
I started filming you guys.
I hate you.
Alright, go back and do it again. Let's come down, stay tighter for me though. And I almost want Jesse, you in, looking
your hair around, laughing. And Bianca, you wave goodbye to your wealthy husband that you're leaving behind for to take us. All right, and here we go. And action. Got it right there. Yep, look back at your friend. Yep, there we go. That's it, that's it. The happiness, the joy, the sexy, happy joy. Sexy, happy joy. Yeah, there we go. That's it, that's it. Keep going, ladies. You're doing it, you're doing it. And then we're going to do it one more time so Adam can shoot this too. Oh, there we go. That's it. That was it. That was ridiculous. All right, Adam, that's it. Got it right there. Got it right there. Got it right there. Got it right there. Thank you, Snow. That's amazing. Ladies talking to each other now. There we go. Bianca, get over in the group and hug someone.
Ladies talking to each other.
There we go. Oh my god, there we go. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's amazing. Got it right there. Got it right there. Got it right there. Got it right there. All right. That's very rock star. But I would get on the couch with them all.
Okay.
Here we go. All right, guys. Here we go. This is just for fun. I mean, this is definitely a fun time, everybody. Got it right there. Got it right there.
Oh, I got the Bluetooth speaker.
Vlog
I have a real party in here.
Got it right there. Oh my god. Sarah, I'm just envisioning your YouTube. I'm like, I would definitely be putting this on my YouTube blog.
Is it going?
Oh, is it live? Are we on live YouTube Sarah Burgett time?
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
Sarah Burgett.
All right, let me get out of the way for Adam.
Vlog hack, snow cam. Sarah's in the back doing a photo shoot, but I'm coming to you from the cockpit. Where should we go? Should we take it out this weekend?
Art Basel.
Little New York, Miami. Art Basel's going on. Where should we take her, huh? And which one should we take?
Planes in general.
Just chilling on the private jet with the ladies.
This is insanity.
Casual.
So nice. I like that news.
Picking the nose.
Yep.
That's amazing, that dress. We are currently in Target. I cannot feel like a bad bitch when I don't have my hoops on, so I'm buying 2 pairs and a necklace for the party tonight. And yeah, I kind of want to take a nap after this. I'm kind of sleepy. I still need to get my Vlogmas up because it's going to be up a little later today. But yeah, it's a good day. I feel really, really bougie. This is the fit. I got my hoops, so we are back in business. I'm ready. Did you do it?
Come here real quick.
Did you do it? You want me to do it still?
I got it.
Okay, work. Work. Nice. Queen. We love it.
I came in 7.
You're all queens, so no.
Girls just wanna play games. Oh, say girls just wanna play games. You call her on the phone, she will never call you back. You see her on the street, she be like, call me sometime. I said girls just wanna play games.